work on this strawberry jar. I'm going to put these herbs in it. They are definitely ready to be transplanted. You can tell because they've got roots coming out of the bottom. That's a sure sign. So what you start out with is you get your strawberry jar. You create a water tube for the center by putting it in the bottom, filling it, putting silicone around it so it doesn't leak out, drill some holes in it, and then you put it in the bottom. You start with your potting soil, which you've dampened with water. Don't use the faucet until it's just enough that you can squeeze it and it holds together. What you do is you start putting it in the bottom. You center your thing, your tube in the bottom, and you fill it up with dirt until you get to the first hole. Tap it down lightly so everything stays centered. The reason I'm doing this in the sink and not outside is because it's pouring down rain. Okay, now I've decided to put my oregano and chives, not chives, but oregano and thyme in the bottom. Now you can leave these pellet coatings on, but I find that they do much better if you take them off. You don't really have to be really gentle with thyme and oregano. They're pretty hardy plants. Okay, and then you simply push it in through your hole, and then you add the dirt, the soil around it, like so. And you continue doing that all the way around your hose. And some of the netting comes off a lot easier than others. Okay. Got one over here ready. Push it in. Tap it. And add the soil around it. Now these are all pre-annuals, so they should continue to grow after. Next thing I'm going to add is my spearmint. You can definitely tell it was ready to be transplanted. It goes right here. Get all the roots in. Pop it in. Put the soil around it. Oh, it smells heavenly. Oh, I love the smell of spearmint. Okay, continue working up to the next hole. And I'm going to put chives over here. Now these can all either be left in the house, and as long as they get enough light, or you can put them outside. I've got cats, I've got dogs, so mine are going to be on the back porch, and then once it warms up really nicely, they're going to be in the patio. But they can winter easily out on the back porch. next hoe, and I'm going to put lavender in on this side. Try not to get any soil down your watering tube. And then I'm going to put rosemary on this side. Now you notice all these plants have been pre-annuals. I'm going to fill at the top. Once I get to the top, I'm going to put basil. Now the reason I did the basil at the top is because basil is an annual. And it's much easier to put seeds in the top to replant than to plant at the bottom. Now you notice my tube is a little bit above the top of the jar. I did that so that when you water it, the dirt doesn't go down into the hoe. Now don't fill it completely up. You want a rim. Just a small one, not a big. Just fill it up almost to the top, but not quite. And then you put in your little basil plants. Now these are a little small yet, but they'll do fine. If you do this in a sink like this, do like I did and have a stringer so that when you get ready to wash, you do not wash all the dirt down into the thing. Water the basil at the top here. And pour your water down your tube, and you've just watered the rest of the plants. They'll soak in as it's needed to water them, and you're done. Hope you enjoyed this.